Bonjour mes enfants, I hope you're having a good week. This week in French, we're recapping some French food that you learned in Year 5 in the eating out topic. And that was all foods that you might find in a restaurant. So recapping some of those, but also throwing some new ones in there, just so that you can talk about what you would like to eat in French, if you would like to do that. All you need for this is a pen and paper to write down the vocabulary. So make sure you've got that. And if I'm writing too quickly, don't forget to pause the video to give you a chance to write the words as we go through. My internet is being a little bit wobbly, so if the sound and the words don't match up, I'm very sorry about that. I don't really know how to make the internet better, so we'll just try our best. Okay, so if you're ready, then we'll switch to the writing camera and we'll go through the vocabulary. I've actually done the first one already because this is take 2. Take 1 didn't work very well at all, so let's hope this one's better. Writing cam. Okay, so the first word we have then is milk, which is le lait. L-I-L-A-I-T, lait. The T is silent. We don't pronounce the T. Next, we have yogurt. I found this ever so difficult to say in French, so I'm going to write it first. Y-A-O-U-R-T. Looks really similar to the English word, but you pronounce it le yaourt or yaourt. Find it really hard. Maybe look that one up on the internet and find a French person saying it properly, because I find. So we have le poulet. P-O-U-L-E-T. Poulet. Oh, I might have worked out why my connection is slow. Let me just try one thing, which might help. Oh dear. Slight technical difficulty. Thank you for staying with me. Right, where were we? I think that might be better. Let's see if it is. Okay, so we've done chicken. What have we got next? Orange juice. Le jus d'orange. I'm sure you all remember that one. I'm going to have to write over the cheese there. Whoops. Le jus d'orange. Our favourite and very easy to spell. Le chocolat. It's so similar to the English. There's just no E on the end. Oops, ham. I've got some ham down here. Le jambon. J-A-M-B-O-N. Jambon. This one's familiar. We've done it twice actually. Once during the eating out, and then again when we're on holiday at the beach. This is ice cream. Le glace. And if you remember, we learned how to say different flavours of ice cream. Nice and healthy tea here. Fish. Le poisson. P-O-I-S-S-O-N. Le poisson. Bread. Le pain. Now, it looks like the English word for pain, but we pronounce it pain, pain. Okay, and here we have, French are famous for it, cheese, le fromage. F-R-O-M-A-G-E. Le fromage. And here we have pasta. I've just got to remember how to spell pasta. I always get this one confused because I always think it should be pate, but it's not. So because there's lots of pasta, there's not just one. It's a plural. So it's the plural of the, which is le. And it looks very similar to pasta, pâte. And the A has one of those little hats on, les pâtes. And the last one, oh, we all like a bit of cake, don't we? Le gâteau. Now, if there was more than one cake, it would have an X on the end for plural. But it's not, there's just one cake there. So it's le. And we have another one of those little hats. The, oh, I've missed something out there. That's not quite right. Gâteau. I think there's an A. Where should the A go? Oh dear. Right, let's turn that into an A and that into a U. Le gâteau. So there's all our vocabulary. Let's just check we've got it all. Yeah, it's all sorted. And I've made a bit of a mistake, children. There's one feminine word here that I've written as masculine. So let's correct that. Are you ready? Look at ice cream. It's not le, it's la. La. It's a feminine word. So if you've written le like me, which you will have because that's what I told you to do, change it to la. So let's say the vocabulary through. You ready? We'll do my turn, your turn. I'll pause so that you've got enough time to repeat it. Le lait. Le yaourt. Le poulet. Le jus d'orange. Le chocolat. Le jambon. La glace. Le poisson. Le pain. Oh, it's not, did I say la glace or le glace? Oh dear. La glace. Le poisson. Le pain. Le fromage. Les pâtes. Le gâteau. Now, on your to-do, you have to draw lines to match up the English to the French words. And then at the bottom, there's a question box which asks you the question, qu'est-ce que vous désirez? Which you should recognize because we've learned that in French a lot. What would you like? What would you desire? Qu'est-ce que vous désirez? And you answer that by starting with je voudrais, and then choose 2 or 3 things that you would like to eat and type them in French into the box. Okay, so you'll need this list to help you with your task. There's also a web link to a game that you can play, and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how you get on. Okay, children, so we're all done for this week. Enjoy doing your tasks and your to-dos, and I'll see you next week for more French. Au revoir.